We're gonna make some coconut milk. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do. Just click the subscribe button below. Today I will be doing a how-to video, and this is how to make pure natural coconut oil. And this is how I do it. I'm not old-fashioned, so most likely everything will be kind of different for some of you folks, and that's okay. So what I do, I cut up the coconut just small enough so it wouldn't damage the blade of my blender, right? And because I'll be using my blender, I know the old-fashioned way is actually great. You take your hand and you squeeze and you get the milk and so on, but I quick and easy, cut up, blender, whatever juice you get, you put it in a cloth and you wring out, or you use your hands and you wring and you put it to boil. So I'm going to cut up the rest of this coconut here. This is there is 3 coconuts and I've just started, so see you in a bit. Okay guys, so I just finished cutting up the 3 coconuts, and all couldn't fit in my cylinder at once, so I'm going to blend this one first and then add this into. Here we go. Water. So in oil so far is about 200 ml, which is a little less than a bottle of Dasani, the big one. Nice. Let's see. Oh, look how nice this is. Right? Still, let me just blend it a little more again. Right, and that's it. I'm going to do the same thing with this set here, and so I'll get back to you when I finish blend everything. Okay, so this is the amount of coconut, blended coconut, that I got from the 3 ounces, from the 3 coconuts, sorry. I added, in total is about 1 Dasani water. I'm not going to add any more water. I'm just going to squeeze out all the milk out of the coconut, and I'll get back to you with how much milk I got from it. So what I am going to do first, before I actually start using my hands to squeeze all the remaining juice in the coconut, I'm going to take my big strainer and just try to get as much juice out of it. Right, so you just pour everything inside the big strainer. If it can't fit, just pour half and do half and half, or however it is. Make sure you wash your hands because you know you'll be touching it. Right, so and you just kind of press down, get as much juices. So I'm going to do this here because I'm using my hand right now to actually do the video, and I need my both hands to actually squeeze out the juices. So I'll be back in a few. Right, this is the amount of coconut milk I got from all of this. Right, so I'm now going to put it in my pot and put my pot on medium and just let it boil. You could stir it every now and again, but not too much because you want it to kind of curd. Okay, so I'm going to pour it in my pot. Right, and I'm putting my stove on medium fire and just let it boil for like about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back to you and we'll see how it works out with the 5 minutes. Looks after 5 minutes. This is bubbling nice. Make sure that you use a non-stick pan because you don't want anything to burn or anything like that, right? So I am going to check the time and let you know how long this tree coconut took me to actually get the oil from it. So see you guys in a bit. Okay, so this is how it looks after 10 minutes. You see in the curds that I'm talking about. So right now I'm just going to let the curds brown a little. If you want to use this oil for cooking, you could take it out now, but I want to use it for Anna's hair, skin, so I am going to allow this to brown a little. That I got from it, this is the coconut curd, and this is the oil. I haven't strained it as yet. I'll strain it and let you guys see how well the oil came out. Okay guys, so this is the amount of coconut oil that I got from Tree Coconut. See, it's not much, and I will strain the grams at the bottom, but this is basically it. If it is you want to use this for cooking, obviously you wouldn't let the curd brown so much. The minute it starts to curd and look a little creamish, you take it off and you use that for cooking. But I'm using this for Annalise hair and skin, so I let it brown a little bit. And so this is it here. Guys, so you see it didn't take me that long to make the coconut oil. It's a very simple method, not old-fashioned, so I prefer it this way unless my granny comes and say, well, you know, let me go and grate coconut, then I no choice. But this is my quick and easy way how I do my coconut oil. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button below, and see you in my next video. Bye.